Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and at home at this time. A break, a summer vacation kind of break is something which we all needed in our lives so tremendously. This has obviously given all of us the time which we required with our family, which is very good. However, we all are so deprived of so many things which we used to do on a day in day out basis. For example, I can't go out and have my favorite pani puri whenever I want to. I just can't go down and have a piece of ice cream from my favorite parlor in the night. I can't go to my salon. I can't go window shopping. I can't do a lot of things which I used to do generally. But coffee habits are getting whipped this quarantine. A 3-ingredient coffee known as Dalgona coffee is all over the internet right now. It looks so tempting that everybody is trying to make it at home. So of course I have given my try on it as well. So come, let's head in my kitchen and make the coffee. It's ready. Just stir it and take a sip. Wow, it's so yummy. I've never had such a coffee ever. I hope you find this video useful. Do try this out at home and let me know how you find it. Till then, bye.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.